Ate Grace. Ano ba yan? Nag-chat kasi si Ate Dev. Sabi niya, pwede daw ba pa video greetings kay Ate Grace 50th birthday? Hoy! Anong 50, ate? Pinaprank mo ba kami? Paruts ka? Hindi ka 50, 30 ka lang. Happy birthday, Ate Grace. We miss you. Love you, mama.
Hi, Grace. How are you? How is it feeling now that you are on your second stage of being 25? You are now on your 50 and enjoy life. Anyways, Grace, as it is written in 3 John 2, I wish above all things that thou mayest prosper, be in good health as thy soul prospers. I really wish and praying that all the blessings that comes from the Lord be given to you as your heart's desire, and enjoy life to the fullest. And well, enjoy. And regards to everyone, I miss your being your craziness during our nursing school. And well, anyways, I really wish you everything in life, and God bless. I miss you. Enjoy. Bye.
Hello, Ate Debbie, Ate Grace. So ba, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hindi, mali.
Bakit?
Birthday greetings.
Birthday greetings ba? Birthday greetings pala to. Happy birthday, Ate Grace. We'll miss you and we love you. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. God bless you. Have many more birthdays to come.
Bye.
Bye.
Gracia. Happy 60th birthday. Hindi ko akalain na mas matanda ka pa pala sa akin. Punta kami dyan sa January na. After namin mag-Texas. Gusto ko kayong makita ni Debs ulit ng mga bata. I miss you guys and I truly treasure our friendship even though we don't talk that much and we don't, see each other that much. You will always remain in my heart. I love you so much and I hope you have a great day ahead on your birthday. Alright? Cheers!
Hi Grace! Happy birthday, Golden Girl! Alam mo, 15 years na tayong hindi nagkikita. Sana kung loloobin na makauwi kayo ni Dev. Makapag-get together tayo nila Liza, Lara, Peachy, Jen. Hanggang dito na lang. Tsak na. I-greet ka din nila Liza, Lara. May God bless and keep you always. And happy birthday. Miss you.
Pinakamaganda, mabait, maunawain at masayahin kong ate. Ate, happy birthday sa iyo. Huwag natin banggitin ang edad mo. Kasi wala namang maniniwala sa edad mo. Na 50 years old ka. Ay, sorry ate, nabanggitin edad mo. Pero sa totoo lang, mukha ka lang 30 years old. Hindi ako magsasawa magpasalamat sapagkat danyan sa palagi sa aming magkakapatid at mga pamangkin mo. At ang wish ko lang sa iyo ate, nabigyan ka pa na mahabang buhay, malusog na pangangatawan, at bigyan ka pa ng maraming blessing at marami ka pang matulungan na katulad namin at mga tiyahin mo.
Hello ate, happiest birthday sa pinakamaganda, mabait, maalalahanin, matulungin, at masiyahin kong ate. Huwag na natin banggitin ang edad mo kasi wala namang maniniwala na 50 years old ka na. Ay, sorry ate, nabanggit ko. Pero sa totoo lang ate, mukha ka lang nasa 30 plus. Ate, ang wish ko para sa iyo na bigyan ka ng Panginoon na malusog, na pangangatawan at hindi nagkakasakit. Bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday at bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon na marami pang blessing at para marami ka pang matulungan, hindi lang kami at ng pamilya mo. Ate, sa totoo lang, ikaw yung ate na the best na ate para sa akin. Kasi ikaw yung taong kung ano ka noon, ganun ka pa rin hanggang ngayon. Hindi ka nagbago. Napakabait mong kapatid. Ate, God bless more and enjoy your special day. Malagi ka mag-iingat. I love you so much, ate.
Hi, Ate Grace. I have a short message for you. Happy birthday, Ate. Wishing you a good health. Enjoy your day. And I love you so much, Ate.
Hey Grace, sana'y maging espesyal ang araw mo na puno ng saya, pagmamahal at mga sorpresa. Wish ko sa'yo maraming blessing, good health, at walang hanggang happiness. Enjoy your special day and always remember how much we love you. Again, happy birthday, anak. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Grace! God bless you!
Pagpalain ka ng Lord.
May the Lord bless you and keep you, make His face shine upon you, and be grateful to you.
Ikaw bang?
Love you, ma. Ay, ma.
Bye-bye po.
Bye-bye po.
Happy birthday, Tita Grace! Salamat sa pag-alaga sa akin sa Amerika.
We wish you more birthdays to come and good health.
Okay. Wishing you good health, more blessings, and more candles to blow. Happy 50th birthday, Grace.
Happy birthday. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Tita Grace.
Happy birthday.
Mommy Grace, happy 50th birthday po. Wish you more blessings and good health. Miss you and I love you po.
Hello po, Ninang. Happy birthday. Salamat sa tulong and support sa family ko. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. See you soon.
Bye-bye po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy 50th birthday, Tita Grace. We love you.
Hi, Mare. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. I love you. Miss you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mare. Stay healthy. Enjoy your special day. I wish you. God bless you always. Love you.
Maring Grace, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mare. I love you. Ingat lagi.
Happy birthday, Mare ko. I love you.
Happy birthday, Grace.
Ingat. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mare.
Happy birthday, Grace. Wish you.
Happy birthday, Mars. God bless you.
God bless.
Wish you.
God
Love
bless.
you.
God bless.
Happy 50th birthday, Mare. Wish ko sa'yo, bless ka ni Lord palagi at ang pamilya mo at laging malusog. Stay healthy. We love you. Miss ka na namin nila, Mare. Stay safe always. God bless.
Hi, Mars Grace. Blessed happy birthday to you and more birthdays to come in good health. Wish ko lang sa'yo ay enjoy your day and with your family. God bless. Miss you, Mars.